Are you planning to
Welcome.
build a
It's a
career
pleasure
in
to
the
have you join
UK
me
but feel
today.
lost in the legal
I'm ready to
paperwork?
share some
Knowing
insights.
exactly who can work without any restrictions is the first step to ensuring your professional stability and peace of mind. British and Irish citizens hold an automatic, permanent right to work that never expires. Irish citizens, in particular, benefit from a unique agreement that allows them to live and work just like British nationals without needing any visa or special permit. If you have indefinite leave to remain or settled status, you also enjoy full freedom in the labor market. This means you can work for any employer, become self-employed, or change jobs at will without needing a sponsor. However, it is important to maintain residency, as staying abroad for several years can sometimes lead to losing this status. The way you prove these rights has shifted toward a digital system. Most residents now use eVisas and digital accounts rather than physical cards. To show an employer you are eligible, you simply generate a one-time share code from the government website. This digital readiness is now essential for a smooth hiring process.
I think we have a
Other
solution.
groups, such as those
Okay.
on family-based visas, also have the
Let's
freedom
review
to
the
work
details
without
closely.
being tied to a specific company. Unlike standard visitor visas, which strictly prohibit any work, these statuses offer the flexibility needed for a long-term career. Understanding your legal standing ensures you avoid administrative hurdles and move forward with confidence.